To install the ski carrier and fishing rod holder on your Polaris XPEDITION XP or ADV, follow these steps.
First, park the vehicle on a flat, level surface, ensure it is in park, and remove the key. Begin by unlocking the fishing rod holder and pushing the button on the side to open. Then, insert the T-bolt through the underside of the holder. Continue by installing a flat washer and then spring washer onto the bolt. Then, loosely install the tube nut. Repeat this process for the remaining fasteners and holder. Next, align the T-bolts with the openings in the rack and slide the holder to the desired position away from the openings. Once in the desired position, tighten the fasteners using the provided tool. Repeat this process for the remaining holder. Inspect the holders and ensure they are in line when viewed from the front or rear of the vehicle. Once aligned, torque the tube nuts to specification.
For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.